taking half of this into a separate bowl, just roughly. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this half to feed the yeast to kick off the action in the yeast, then mix in the rest. Oh, in here I also use warm water, probably about like 50-60 degrees. After heating the flour, the temperature will drop to around 35-37, which is about body temperature. You see, it's really wet, but that's what we want. Okay, so nice. Well, we know the yeast is definitely well and truly alive. Instead of putting into a warm environment to proof, I'm going to put it into a fridge, cold, and proof in cold temperature. That apparently will activate some fermentation and also encourage a slower yeast process, and we are going to get a finer and more structured bubble in here. It's a method I learned apparently from the Sakimoto bread. Let's say you know the dough is well kneaded when there's 3 clear, as in your hand is clean and then the chopping board is clean, or the surface is clean and the bowl is clean. You can see it started turning yellow. Cutting them quite thick because we want to be able to bite into it. up to simmer and let it sit. It's peanuts roasted 150 degrees for half an hour. Don't want to make it too spicy. Usually Taiwanese food is not that spicy. With this mustard leaf, I always give it a taste to make sure it's not too sour, because if it is, then I leave it in the water. Tiny bit of soy sauce just to accentuate the flavor. Cook it down, cook away some of that moisture, so when we put it into the baos, it doesn't drip.